Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Yang terhormat Tim Penguji Ujian Kinerja Pendidikan Profesi Guru dalam Jabatan Angkatan 1 tahun 2021. Perkenalkan, saya Hadrowi, mahasiswa Pendidikan Profesi Guru dalam Jabatan tahun 2021 Angkatan 1, Program Studi Pendidikan Bahasa Inggris, Fakultas Keguruan dan Ilmu Pendidikan Universitas Sultan Agung Tirta Banten. Pada kesempatan hari ini, Senin 19 Juli tahun 2021, saya akan melaksanakan praktik mengajar di kelas 12 SMK Negeri 1 Malungking dengan materi Offering Health and Services dalam rangka memenuhi ujian kinerja pendidikan profesi guru dalam jabatan Angkatan 1 tahun 2021. Demikian, atas perhatiannya saya ucapkan terima kasih. Berikut ini adalah video kegiatan mengajar yang saya laksanakan. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, class. How are you today?
Alhamdulillah,
Alhamdulillah, I'm fine too. Thank you for asking me. Okay. Before beginning our learning activity today, I would like to ask the class leader, Anggi, please lead us to pray. Thank you.
Okay, my friends all and teacher, before beginning our learning today, let's say ayat al-basmalah.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, thank you, Anggi. All right, I would like to check the presence or attendance list of this class today. Who is absent today?
Hima, Fauzia are doing program, sir, and Lena,
Okay.
Manda are sick, sir.
Okay, thank you for information, Anggi. Okay, I hope doing Praklin, they get success on their Praklin, and also who are sick get well soon. Okay, before beginning to learn today, I would like to check the voice and the video of our class. Is the video clear? My video is clear?
The video is clear.
Okay, my video is clear. Thank you. And also, is my voice clear? Can you hear my voice?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. I hope you are you are all good and fine today, and also I hope you are all happy. And this pandemic, I hope you keep safe and keep learn. You can keep safe by use the mask and also wash your hand. And also keep on learning. Study hard. You can learn more in this pandemic to make you get more knowledge. Okay. And then today we will discuss about the expression of offering help or services. And before beginning our learning today, I would like to listen to you. Our learning objective today. Allow me to share. Can you see my presentation?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Welcome back to the school. Okay. Today we will discuss about offering help or services, and you can see here we have two basic competencies, and we have 7 indicators of the competencies, yeah, that you have to reach and shape them, yeah. And also here you can you have to know, you can read from this presentation. You have to know that our learning material, our learning activity today is very important for you. Expression of offering help or services here, you can use it in daily activities, yeah. So you have to know once more, yeah, that our learning method today is very important for you in daily activities. Yeah. We have 7 indicators that you have you after the learning activity today. You have to you are expected to be able to identify social function, explain the structure, determine language feature, and also analyze interpersonal interaction text, spoken or written, which involves the act of offering help or services and responding to them, yeah, according to the context of the use. And also being able to repeat, to apply, and to present oral and written interpersonal interaction text that involve the act of offering help or services. So these are our learning objective today. Do you understand? Girls, boys, students?
Yes, we understand.
Okay, thank you very much. Yeah. Okay, then I would like ask you to know about your knowledge before that you have shipped or you have gotten it before our learning activity today. Uh, have you ever studied? Are you ready to study today? I'm sorry, I would ask to you.
Yes,
Okay, thank you. Is my voice is clear? My voice is clear? Okay, thank
Yes.
you. Okay, thank you very much. Uh, did you have ever studied about offering help or services before?
We have ever studied about asking and giving thing in junior high school, sir.
Okay, thank you, PP. Yeah, that so you have studied about offering help or sing in junior high school, yeah, PP. Yeah. Okay, thank you, PP. And the last I want to ask you do you know what is the expression of offering help or services?
I think it is a way to offer help or services to someone who needs it, sir.
Okay, Ichi Wulandari, thank you for your answer. Okay, I would like to give you a nice briefing to make you ready for studying today, yeah? Okay, are you ready?
Ready.
Ready,
Okay,
sir.
SMK?
Kompeten.
SMK kompeten. SMK?
Green.
SMK Grid. SMK?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So you are ready to learn about our learning material and our learning activity today, yeah? Okay, thank you very much. Okay, let's begin our study, our learning activity today. And before beginning, I would like to share to you, yeah, about a video. Please listen and see and watch the video.
In this video, we look at some strategies for seeking and offering help. In the following video, Mary has a problem. She tells Tony, and he offers to help. Let's see how they do it.
I need to save my work, but I didn't bring a USB.
I've got one.
Do you?
Yeah. You want to use it?
Sure, thanks.
No worries.
I'll see you tomorrow then.
Right.
How are you getting home? Have you got a ride?
Yeah, my brother's picking me up.
Okay.
Thanks.
Okay, and you have watched the video, yeah? And I would like ask, what is the video describing, ya, teacher?
Iya, sir. Di dalam teks video tersebut terjadi percakapan antara dua orang, yaitu saling menawarkan makanan dengan bahasa bahasa formal dan yang menolak pun menjawab dengan bahasa yang akan kita diskusikan sekarang secara formal maupun informal.
Okay, thank you for answering my question, Ice ya. Okay, then I would like to share too about our problems to discuss today. Yeah, the first is we will discuss in our group discussions. Yeah, the first is what is offering help or services, and what is the function of offering help or services, and also what is the structure of offering help or services. And the last is what are the language features of offering help or services. So you will discuss. I have sent to you the worksheet to your WhatsApp group, yeah, and I have announced to you, yeah, that you have to download it before our learning activity today, yeah. Okay, so to make effectively for our time, yeah, I would like to explain to you that you have the download the worksheet. So you can open the worksheet now, yeah. And after that, I would like to explain to you about the instruction for our discussion today. The first, you can open the worksheet, yeah, and read the instruction on the worksheet. After that, you will join into a breakout room for discussion, yeah. And we have discussed before in our WhatsApp group that we have two groups here, yeah, Group A and Group B. So I would like to tell you the Group B will enter the breakout room now, 1, yeah, and the Group B yeah, will enter the breakout room 2. Yeah. So in your breakout room, you will discuss about the problems on the worksheet, yeah. And after that, you have about 25 minutes to discuss and solve the problem. And for after 25 minutes, you have to leave the breakout room, and you will present the discussion results from your discussion for the worksheet. Yeah, I'm sorry. You have to present, and also you will perform a dialogue on the worksheet. So you can read the instruction on the worksheet briefly, yeah, and clearly, so you can understand about your learning activity in your group discussion. Yeah, do you understand about my explanation for the instructions? Okay, thank you very much. Yeah. Okay, I have opened the room. Please join the breakout room.
Sebelum kita mulai diskusi, kita bagi tugas dulu. Aku yang bikin PPT ya?
Oke.
Diskusi and Farul, gimana kalau kalian yang diskusi?
Ya, boleh. Okay, let's do discussion.
Sebelumnya pahami dulu guys kalau KPD-nya.
Ya dong.
Then after that, you search on Google.
So, it's so necessary to find the answer, ya. Kalau
Yes, good.
Ya.
Here are a question, guys. Kita bagi ya. Randy, you number 1 and 2. Ratu number 3, 4 and 5. Are you sick? And 8, okay?
That's good idea.
Yes.
Okay. If you have found the answer, send it directly to Ayu's WhatsApp ya, guys.
Yeah, send to my WhatsApp, guys.
Oke, yuk kita cari jawabannya di Google. Yang nemu jawabannya belum?
Okay. I will read to the question. The first, what the underlying sentence describe.
Oke. Langsung share screen aja ya. Oke, jadi nomor 1 itu the underlying sentence describe operating spaces ya, guys. Oke, good guys. The function of the italicized words itu ada yang dicetak miring di dialog yang pertama itu loh.
Oh iya, ada
Answer number 5. Offering help or service usually use questions that or affirmative. Thus, then contains offering help or service using auxiliaries like can or word may. Usually use questions tense using formal or informal.
sama yang number 6 ya. Offering help or service have two kinds, formal and informal. Okay. Okay, Uci. No forget can answer your answer.
How about can you help me guys for text to number 1? Gimana kalau can you help me?
Oke, ini yang belum.
Jawaban yang lain mana? Ini udah pada nemu belum? Nindi, are you okay?
Dialog.
Gimana kalau latihan baca dialog dulu?
Boleh tuh, mumpung ada waktunya juga ya. Gimana, Reni sama Ayu, are you ready?
Yes. Yes.
Oke, Reni.
Yes, thank you.
Sir, I want question.
Okay, Ice,
Okay,
please.
I have a question. Question is how can we know formally or informally asking for offering help to someone from the language we offer? Is there a language or a different factor? My voice is clear, sir.
Can you repeat?
Okay.
I'm sorry, your voice is not too clear.
Okay.
Okay.
My question is, how can we know formally or informally asking or offering help to someone from the language we offer? Is there a language element or a different factor? Peter.
Okay.
Sorry, my English very better.
Okay, no, you are good, yeah. I understood. What do you mean to ask to me, yeah? Okay, Ice. You mean how we can find the difference between formal or informal expression or language picture? The language picture is the same, yeah. Both for formal or informal, yeah. We can use the same pattern, but you can see the context of the use of the expression.
Thank you for
Okay.
the answer, sir.
Okay, thank you very much, teacher. You are really clever student, yeah. Okay, the others. Any question? Any other question from the other student?
I don't have, sir.
Okay, you don't have any question, so you can continue your discussion. Carry on. Yeah. Thank you.
Okay. Sir.
Please do active speaking, yeah. Speak more and more to practice your pronunciation, yeah.
Yes, sir.
Gimana, guys?
Ekspresi yang tadi kurang deh. Salah deh.
Oh, bisa diulang lagi kali ya?
Boleh.
Hello. Have you finished the discussion?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Finish.
If you have finished your discussion, we can leave because time is up. Yeah, we can leave the breakout room and join to the main room now. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay. You can finish the discussion. Yeah. And then, as I have explained to you, yeah, that you will present your discussion result and you do the campus session practice a dialogue in your worksheet. Yeah. Okay, I would like to explain to you about our procedure. So the first, a group will present the discussion results, and after that, the group will perform the dialogue on your worksheet, and the other group will listen, yeah, and then if the other group have any question, they should ask after the presentation and the conversation is finished, yeah. So after that, another group will present their discussion result. Who will do the presentation first?
A first.
Oh, A first, please. A.
Okay, thank you. I will present the result of group A. For number 1, the underlined sentence describe offering help or services. For number 2, the underlined words are to offer help or services to someone who need it. For number 3, the italicized words are to respond, repose, offering help or services. For number 4, offering help or services, an expression that contains offering help or services in question, sentence of affirmative sentence. Next dialogue.
Yes.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Is she ready?
Yes.
Okay. Hi, Mom.
Hi, sweetie. Have you finished your school homework?
Yes, Mom. I have already done it.
Good boy. Can you help me to take some eggs?
Sure. How many eggs do you need, Mom?
Eggs, please. They are in the cabinet.
I see. Here you are.
Thank you, sweetie.
You are welcome, Mom. Anything else?
Yes, please. Can you come here?
Yes, Mom.
Please break out this vegetable.
I like it. Someday I want to be a chef like you do. Let me clean the dining table, Mom.
Oh dear. How can I help you?
No problem, Mom. Okay, thank you, guys.
Thank you.
We will go to the next group ya. Group, which group what now?
Group B.
Okay, now is for group B. Okay, thank you. Please.
Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, guys, I will present the result of the discussion from Group B. Okay, the first. The underlined sentence describe offering help or services. The second, the underlined words are to offer help or services to someone who need it. Third, the italicized words are to respond, refuse, offering help or services. 6. Offering help or services has two kinds. These are formal and informal. Next, number 8. How do we accept and refuse assistance formally and informally? When accepting help or services formally, that will be great. Thank you so much. Next, that's extremely kind or good or thoughtful of you. Next, thank you, it's very kind of you. Okay. Ketika menolak secara formal. It's very good of you to offer, but I will manage it on my own. Next, I'm very grateful for your offer, but okay, sir, presentation is complete. Now it's turn to have a dialogue, sir.
Okay, next is the dialogue. Yeah. Carry on.
Hi, sweetie. Have you finished your school homework? Yes, Mom. I've already done it. Good boy. Can you help me to take some egg? Sure. How many eggs do you need, Mom? 2 eggs, please. They are in the cabinet. Please make up these vegetables. I like it someday. I want to be a chef if you do. Let me clean the dining table, Mom. Thanks, God, dear. How kind of you. No problem, Mom.
Okay, sir, thank my presentation and protect dialogue. Okay, guys, do you have any question?
Okay, other group will give question or advice.
No, sir.
Oh, it's enough. The other group enough, yeah. If you have not any question or advices, we will go to another activity. Yeah. Okay. Thank you very much. You have done a great presentation. Okay, and allow me to give you some review. Yeah. I have here some words that you have said in your conversation, And when you read the presentation, yeah, you have do more practice. You still use your mother tongue, yeah, mother language, yeah. You use your dialect, yeah. As we have known, our dialect is Sundanese, yeah. But you have to practice to speak English, yeah, by use the pronunciation. Uh, if you can't speak as a native, but you can try to speak, uh, use what's practice here to make your pronunciation is more good. Yeah, thank you. But overall, you have performed the good conversation. Yeah, and then allow me to give you some reviews. Yeah, and also I would like to explain about our learning today, our learning material today. Yeah, you have discussed about what is offering help or services and what is the function of offering help and services and how is the structures of how is the patterns of offering help or services. As we have now that offering help is an expression, yeah, and also what is the language, what are the language features of offering help or services, yeah. Okay, discuss that there are two kinds of offering help or services expression, yeah. The first is formal and the second is informal. Formal offers and informal offer. Formal offers is used when you talk to someone who is, who are older or whose position is higher than you. Example, your boss, your teacher, you should use the formal offers, yeah. But for your friends, you can use informal
Yes, sir.
Do you have any
Yes,
question?
sir. No.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay,
No, sir.
you are really good and clever student. Are you really don't want to ask any question? Okay, okay, thank you. If you have not any question, we will go to another activities. Yeah, you can collect your worksheet. Yeah, to the link that I will send to your Zoom chat box. Yeah, you can open the link and send the worksheet. Yeah, to the Google Form link. I would like to share to you. The form is in the Zoom chat box. Can you see? Can you see it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I see.
Okay. You will send your worksheet, yeah, that you have answer or solve the problem on the worksheet. You can send them to this link, yeah. Thank you. And then next, before the next activities, I would like to give you a test that you have said to me. You have understood about the expression of offering help or services, whether it is the offers or the response for the offers, yeah, like accepting or refusing. I would like to give you a test. Okay, we will do a test in quizzes. Yeah, you can open the link that I will send to you. You can click the link on the Zoom chat box, and I have sent the link. Do you see the link on the Zoom chat box? Okay, you can click it, and after that you can write down your name on the quizzes box, yeah. And after that, click the start comment button, yeah. Okay, are you ready to answer the question on the quizzes?
Ready,
Are you
sir.
ready? Okay, you are ready. Let's begin. Okay, congratulations. Fahru Rozi, Nindi Aulia, and also Reni Herlina for the three top. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. And then we will, before closing our learning today, I would like ask you to give to make a conclusion or summary for our learning material today. Anyone who will give the conclusion? Let's mix the
I
conclusion.
want to.
Okay, teacher, please.
Conclusion is, my answer, offering help is a way and expression to suggest or to offer help to someone who needs it. The purpose is to offer assistance for someone who is doing something politely or to offer help to other people who are in it. There are two kinds of offering: formal offers and informal offers. Formal offers are used when you talk to someone who are older or whose position in higher than you. Informal offers are used when you talk to someone close to you. The example of formal offer is, might I help you? What you need my help? And the example of informal offer is, can I help you? And what can I do for you? That's all my conclusion of learning material today. Thank you.
Okay, good job, teacher. You have made a good conclusion for our learning activities today. And also, I would like to remind you that you have to remember and learn more about the definition, structure, solution, and also the features of offering help or services expression, yeah, and also the response for them, yeah, for the offers, yeah. And then for our reflection of our learning activities today, I would like to give you some reviews and advices, yeah, that you have to practice more your pronunciation or your speaking skills, yeah, and also your reading and writing, also the listening skills, yeah. You can do by by doing the many exercises on your daily activities in your classroom, or you can call me using English, yeah. When you text me or call me by phone, yeah, you can use English to practice your speaking skill, yeah. And also keep safe, yeah, because now is 19 COVID pandemic. Use your mask and also wash your hand, yeah, to make you keep safe, yeah. And also don't forget to keep your spirit to learn, yeah. Keep on learning, do many practices on your speaking, writing, and also your reading or listening skills, yeah. And then I would like to ask you for giving me the feedback for our learning activities today. Anyone
I will
will give? Okay, Icha, please.
Okay.
Okay.
Learning in the previous activity and our learning activity today, we know that every text has the structure to make easier for the reader or literature to understand the purpose or function, as we will discuss.
Okay. So you need more samples of the expression, yeah, about the structure of the text, uh, of offering help or services expression. Okay, you can do many more exercises. You can do more exercises for it, yeah, or you can read, or you can see on the YouTube or the internet, yeah, about samples of it, yeah. Oh, thank you for the feedback, yeah, Ichi, yeah. Any others?
Background.
Any other feedbacks from the other?
The information later, if there is a use, you can let us
Oh,
us know.
okay. Inshallah, for the next meeting, I will present to you more examples from the text, yeah, about the structure of expression of offering help or services, yeah. Okay. Thank you for the feedback, Iche, yeah. Any other feedback? Any others?
No, nothing.
Okay, if you have not any others, yeah. Okay, before closing, don't forget to submit your worksheet if you have not submitted your worksheet. Yeah. I will wait until about 14 minutes, yeah, after the learning activity is closed, yeah. Okay, that's all our learning activity today. Yeah, don't forget to keep safe and to keep on learning. Yeah, keep your spirit to learn. Yeah, and the next meeting we will discuss about the how to make to do an over how to offer help or services in our daily activities. Yeah, we will make a more exercise for our learning method today. So we will still learn about offering help or services. You understand, students?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you very much. Alhamdulillah, we have done our learning activity today. Yeah. Okay, for the last, I would like to ask class leader, Anggi, please lead us to pray.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Guiding us in our learning today and for closing our activity today, let's say Alhamdulillah.
I would like to apologize if I say something wrong about you, yeah. I say you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
See you next meeting. You're welcome. Good luck.